Hello, welcome to Supercar Hypercars of Las Vegas. Hey y'all, check this out. Today's kind of special. I got my brother here, Black Bastard Productions.
Nobody y'all.
Hey.
Yeah, Great Ghost One, IG. I'm the one doing all this stance video on IG for all the car shows out there in Cali.
Oh yeah, we about to hook up, try and do some new stuff down here. You guys haven't seen me on in a while post any videos. I got all kinds of materials at that time because of the COVID thing and working. So, but today we're gonna go down and see what's going on at Eastern. Like I said, we got Black Bastard Productions, which is family, my brother. So, Supercar Hypercars of Las Vegas, Black Bastard Productions. Gonna be hooking up, doing a couple things for y'all. But for now, we're just gonna hook up and see what's going on down here. And we'll start with the Eastern Cars and Coffee off of Eastern Avenue, and then we're gonna head over to Shelby Motorsport here in Vegas and see what's going on with their car show. So you guys be safe out there. As you know, we got our masks and everything ready to handle this. So let's see what's going down. Like I said, you guys be safe out there. And make sure you guys social distance, and we'll get you guys some good content and get back to y'all. Peace out.
Alright, ACP, that's where we're gonna be at. This is where we're gonna try and get our rentals from. We're trying to work out the behind the scenes right now. Out there in front of the Raider Stadium. We're gonna try and get some drone shots. Hopefully we don't get arrested, y'all, so we'll be back in a minute. Bye.